Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is Halloween season, which means party time.
Yes.
My friend Addison is here to help us make what?
We are making today Kool Aid butter cookies.
Oh, this sounds interesting. Tell everybody how you made it.
Well, first of all, we start with our dry ingredients, the flour and the salt, and then we're going to cream the butter, the sugar, and add in the vanilla. And then our special ingredient we're going to have is the Kool Aid.
Now this is interesting.
Half a package
Yep,
of Kool Aid there. Then after you mix in the flour, after the dry ingredients fold in, you'll have a dough consistency, and it's going to turn pink because of the Kool Aid.
Yeah.
And then we're going to, after we roll it out, we're going to have the dough, roll it out, and then we're going to use our cookie cutters and chill the dough. It's best to chill it for about 30 minutes or so.
Okay.
And then we're going to cut out the cookies, and while we're doing all of that, we're going to go to the glaze. 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, and then you're going to use about 3 tablespoons of milk.
Okay.
And then add in some Kool Aid.
Oh, this is good.
Ice the cookies.
Oh, this is really, really good. Why did you pick this cookie?
Because of childhood, I loved Kool Aid, of course. But,
I did too.
Yeah,
I did too.
My parents always made sure that everyone had their chores, and I started cooking. So this is one of the things I tried with the Kool Aid, and it's been one of my favorites for the holiday treats. And so, being from the South, being a Southern Northerner, we make cookies.
I'm telling you,
Kool-Aid.
this cookie is so good. And the flavor that the Kool-Aid adds, it's surprising.
You may have a little intense flavor, but it's good.
No, this is perfect. You really, really, really have to try this. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. You have to try this cookie. It's really good.
Oh my goodness, let me try it.
Oh, this is a good cookie. I'm so serious. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.